This is a 1948 Royal Quiet Deluxe, the same year my dad was born. That's pretty awesome. So these are really fun typewriters to have. This has the glass tombstone keys on it. Very nice looking. Has magic margins. And let's take a look at a few of the other things we've got on here too. So I want to lift this up. Oops. We're going to take a look, and here are your tabs. So you just press and drag wherever you want your tabs to be set. That's how that works, okay? Oops. So then the tab button is right here. The carriage release is going to be a little silver lever right around the handle, and you just pull that in. That releases the carriage. This is the carriage. And you can hear the bell still works on that. So the roller, the platen, looks like it's in really good condition. I don't see, because it's a small carriage, I don't see margins on this one, just a paper guide. Also, you're going to see here, there it is. Okay, so this is probably advanced, changes how much you advance. So this is double, this is single line, okay? This releases the roller, so you have some flexibility in where you want to place your paper. Just make sure you re-engage the roller so you can hear it engaged. To set the margins, I'm sorry, we do have margins. What was I thinking? Put your carriage right where you want it and say, okay, that's where I want my margin, and then you just pull that in. And now your margin is set. To release it, what you need to do is you need to hold in your carriage release and your margin at the same time and kind of go back and forth to kind of clear it. That's what I do. And then find where you want to reset it. So if you want to go all the way to the beginning, you can set it here. Or if you want to go, let's say here, and now it's set there, okay? So now it's going to stay there. And then to clear it, it'll go all the way back. Okay, let's move our carriage out. Open up the top, and oops, and here you are going to see the ribbon spools. Black is on top, red is on bottom. This is a universal standard 2-inch spool, which we do carry on our website and Facebook page. They're easy to change out. Just make sure you thread them properly. You can look at up-close images if you need help with that. Touch control just determines how hard these type bars are going to strike your paper. This is your ribbon reversal and your color selector. Okay, I'm going to put it on black. Backspace, tab, margin release. All right, let's go ahead and start typing. These are nice little portable typewriters. I call them coffee shop ready. They come, this one comes with a really nice case, and there we go. I did it crooked, so release the tension with this on the left or the right side here. Get that paper just right, put that back. And let's go ahead and type. No number 1, you use the lowercase l, 1948. Quiet. And so I was saying this is coffee shop ready. And I'm going to change that margin just a little bit. There we go. So it's easy to take to a typewriter, to the cafe or to a park or something like that. This is a really good gift idea for those authors that you have in your life that maybe have hinted at wanting to try a typewriter or something, but they're not sure. This is really good. You'll be very happy with it. Love the feel of the glass keys. Okay, let's the keys feel really nice. And the space bar feels really strong. I like that. Okay, let's switch to red. Okay, very nice. I'm gonna, so the only thing I've noticed is this little roller is kind of sticking a little bit. So you may need to pull it out every once in a while and get the paper to lay flat on the plate in there. Yeah, see, it's not rolling. I don't like that. It's not bad, but every once in a while that paper will bubble right here. So you just may want to watch that. But otherwise, mechanically, it's in excellent condition. It's very clean. You're going to love this machine. It actually almost looks like it was hardly used, and the case is excellent as well. I'm going to take a photo of this. You can use the links below to take a look at everything up close, and let us know if you have any questions or concerns, or if you just have something nice to say. All right, have a great day. Talk to you later.